In today's video, I'll show you how to copy and paste an image from one Canva design to another. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Canva tips. First, open the Canva design that has the image you want. Simply click on the element or image, then use Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac to copy it. Now head over to your second design, the one where you want to paste the image. Click anywhere on the canvas and press Ctrl+V or Command+V. Instantly, your copied image will appear. From here, you can resize, move, or edit it just like any other Canva element. This is super useful if you're working on multiple projects and want to keep a consistent look across all your designs. And that's it. Copying and pasting between Canva designs is that simple. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more quick Canva guides.